are hooked on to my YouTube channel, Evolution A Point of Success. This is your guide, Prosenjit Sikdar. Today's subject is English and today's topic is noun. So, without wasting your time, let's start the topic. Right. What is noun? Noun is a naming word, right? Noun is a naming word. Like I, Prosenjit Sikdar, you, Abhijit Datta, you, Akash Ghosh. So, these all are names, right? So, nouns are naming words. So, noun can be mainly classified into concrete noun, right? Concrete noun, abstract noun, abstract noun. Look, this is a pen, right? So this can be seen, this can be touched. So anything which can be seen, which can be touched is a concrete noun. For example, pen, pencil, tree, car, etc. Right? But abstract noun can't be touched or can't be seen. Abstract noun can only be felt. So any kind of emotion like love, hatred, happiness, sorrow, enmity, honesty, these can't be seen, can't be touched, but we can feel. So honesty, enmity, happiness, etc. So these are abstract nouns. So I am going to analyze more about these kinds of nouns, right? So first of all, further analysis. I am going to analyze further about nouns. First, proper versus common noun, right? Proper versus common noun. Proper noun means any specific name, but common noun means, for example, I am going to share with you the example that will help you to understand, right? So, student, student, right? Student is a common noun. Why? Because if I go to a school, there are a lot of students, right? But if any of you, but I ask, right, Sham, please come here. Or Ram, please come here. So Sam, Ram, etc. it will be proper noun, right? So Sam, Ram, etc. will be proper noun. I think you have understood the fact between proper noun and common noun. Now, number 3. Number 3 is compound noun, right? Compound noun. Compound noun or nominal compounds or nominal compounds. Nominal compounds. What are nominal compounds? Nominal compounds when two or more words together make a noun. For example, Batman, right? Batman. So, bat is a noun, man is also a noun. So, together they are called single noun, that is called compound noun. That is called compound noun. More examples, it will help you to understand. There are more examples like ice cream, right? Ice cream. Sunrise. Sunrise. So now I am going to describe about group noun, right? Group noun or collective noun. Group noun or collective noun. Group noun or collective noun means many people, many together makes a singular form. For example, class, right? Class, right? For example, army or family, right? For example, pride. Pride is also a kind of group noun, right? For example, bell. For example, bouquet. So these are very important for any government job like SSC, PSC, UPSC or any kind of competitive examination. This group noun or collective noun is very important. Suppose if I ask you a group of flowers is called a bouquet, right? A bundle of a large number cotton tied together, that is bell, or a number of fish swimming together, or number of bees, right? Number of bees swarm, right? So these group nouns are very important. So who are going to attend any kind of competitive examination, you must have to mug up these words, these group nouns, right? So now after that I am going to analyze the next one. The next is material noun, right? Material noun. Material noun, though now it is not in existence. Material noun now comes. Material noun now comes under common noun, right? Material nouns are those like stone, sand, iron, milk, right? But nowadays, material nouns like these are considered as common noun, right? Material nouns are nowadays considered as common noun. So, we have analyzed what is noun. Noun is a naming word after all. Number two, what is concrete noun, what is abstract noun, then proper noun, common noun, then group noun or collective noun, material noun, and compound noun or nominal compound. Now, noun can be further classified. Noun can be further classified on the basis of countability, right? On the basis of countability. Countability, right? On the basis of countability, noun can be divided into count noun, number two, or countable noun, right? Countable noun. Number two, uncountable noun, uncountable noun, or non-count noun, or this is also called mass noun, right? M-A-S-S, mass noun. So now whatever we can count, like pen, like kite, pencil, balloons, these can be counted. So pen, pencil, These are etc. are countable nouns. Whatever is counted. Now look at uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns can't be counted. So look at this feature like material noun can't never be counted. So material noun always be uncountable like stone, sand, iron, milk, water. These can't be counted. So any kind of material noun is uncountable noun. Likewise, abstract noun. What are the abstract nouns? Like any kind of emotion, feelings, happiness, sadness, honesty, enmity. So abstract noun and material noun can never be counted. So these are called uncountable nouns, right? And whatever we can count, they are called countable noun or count noun, right? Countable noun or count noun. And whatever we can't count, these are called uncountable nouns, right? Please, till we meet next, keep watching, keep sharing, keep studying. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.